Our next campaign, or an upcoming campaign, is going to be called Culture Palooza, and it's all about building brand and culture and that kind of thing. So for the campaign messaging, I was trying to figure out a dance, and could not figure out what the Soul Train was called, but then Valerie figured out it's called the Soul Train. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in 2 lines. I'm sure y'all have done this at a wedding or a party or something. And so you get in 2 lines, and I'm going to play the Jackson 5 ABC because we are making HR easy as ABC, 1, 2, 3. And you're going to do part of our road trip down the middle to the Jackson 5. So we're already lined up, so the developers